So I've recently been doing a lot in Nomad Sculpt, and one of my biggest pet peeves is that you can't put any kind of real dimensions in, and it just is really small, and then you have to really scale it up in either your slicer or another program. But today I realized that is not the case. So we can go to our scene, and we can add a box, and if you hit these three dots, and you come over here to box geometry, let's say we want to make this 4 inches. I'm going to put 100 millimeters, oops, because that will equal 4 inches. So I'm just going to type in 100, click OK, and then we'll hit validate. And then we have this big, huge box now, and if you want, we can measure it. Come over here, hit measure. That's telling us 100 millimeters. So then let's bring it into our slicer to confirm. So let's go over here, export STL, and then I'll airdrop it to myself. So then let's add this into our slicer, and in Bamboo Slicer, let's check out the scale, and look at that, 100 millimeters. So you can get a perfect scaling for whatever you're sculpting if you want to. So hopefully this tip helps.